Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming your Windows edition and making a quick backup of important files. Once done, open Services. MSC, locate Windows Update, view a serve, right-click, stop the service and set Startup Type to Disabled. That prevents the service from relaunching. Make sure your current network is set to metered to reduce chance of downloads while you continue. These steps stop the update engine now, so you can proceed to make persistent, deeper changes safely, without Windows trying to restart updates. Next, you need to neutralize the orchestrator and policy paths that restart updates. Open Task Scheduler and disable Update Orchestrator tasks and any Windows Update tasks. Then, for components like Windows Update Medic, WA-S-Medic SVC, that resist the service's UI, use an elevated command prompt and SC. EXE to configure their start types to disabled. If you have Pro or Enterprise, use gpedit. MSC to disable automatic updates. If home, add the No Auto Update Registry key and use WU Server where needed. These steps stop system mechanisms that would re-enable updates. To finish, rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders in an elevated prompt to force Windows to stop using cached update files. Once done, you can optionally create outbound firewall rules that block common Windows update endpoints for added protection. Make sure rules target SVChost or Windows Update ports. Make a restore point so you can revert. If something goes wrong, re-enable the services, reverse registry or group policy changes, restart the PC, and Windows Update will return to its default behavior. This is your key troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.